believe, receive. You're right. That is the mantra, that is the secret. And definitely we are going to talk about law of attraction today. And law of attraction, LOA, is one of the subjects that I really love to talk about anytime. So let's talk about law of attraction today and begin your journey of manifestation with me. Law of attraction is a law like law of gravity, law of conservation of energy, law of vibration, law of cause and effect, etc. And the law of attraction is applicable to everyone. Law of attraction says, wherever our focus goes, that area of our life amplifies. If our focus is on the things that we want in our life, it will expand for us. And if we focus on the things that we don't want, then equally, those things also will get expanded in our life. Let's take an example. If you're facing problem in your relationship and you always thinking about why I'm having this bad phase in my relationship, you will experience that the bad phase is continuing day after day. Instead of that, if you think the opposite, if you feel and visualize a good time, a good relationship with your partner, then it will raise your vibration high and higher. And gradually you will find a smoothness in your relationship. Law of attraction is all about your vibrational synchronicity with your desire. And you only can achieve that synchronicity through your feelings. The law of attraction is the most powerful and the most magical law in the whole universe. And it is always working for us. In this video, I will try to tell you how to start law of attraction as a beginner, step by step. I know most of you know about law of attraction, but only knowing is not going to help you out. So this is a kind of a basic video for the people who are going to start law of attraction in their life. And the right way of using law of attraction is to raise your vibration and feel more positive. And that's why this video is going to help you out. I will give you 5 simple steps to apply, and if you apply this into your life, you will start to see massive changes in your life. Step number 1. Make a list of your dreams. Write down your dreams when you are stress-free, your mind is calm, and you are feeling positive and happy. Take a notebook or journal and write down all of your dreams that you want to make true in your life. Think about all the major goals and dreams in your life and write them in the present tense. For example, if you want to have success in your career, just write, I am achieving success in my career. If you want to have more healthy life, body and mind, just write, I am becoming more and more healthy every day. If you want to have more loving relationship in your life, then just write down that my life is full of loving and fulfilling relationships. Writing your dreams or goals will keep you motivated towards your goal. Step number 2. Try to feel as much happy and positive as you can throughout the day. And this is the key. At the beginning, it might not be easy for you to be happy and positive throughout the day. But still, you can start with few moments like 5 minutes every day. Then gradually can get into a habit of being happy and positive throughout the day. More you focus on positivity, more you get better. Gradually, your vibration will go higher and higher. The more your vibration go high and higher, The manifestation will start happening super fast for you. Now you can ask me that how is that possible when I'm always surrounded by negative situations and negative people and nothing good is happening in my life? Well, your answer is there in the point 3. So the third point is be grateful and practice gratitude. Gratitude is the easiest and simplest way to feel positive and happy. Start practicing gratitude every single day. Be grateful for whatever you have in your life. That can be a smallest thing in your life. That can be that pen or the paper or everything that you have in your life, you experience in your life, you enjoy in your life, the things that support you, the thing that make you happy. Be grateful for everything. Be grateful for this beautiful world. Be grateful for that beautiful sunshine. Be grateful for your family. Be grateful for that house that you live in. Be grateful that beautiful breeze that you enjoy in the evening. Be grateful that cup of tea or coffee that you're having with your friends or family. So be grateful for everything that you have in your life and make it a habit in your life to be grateful all the time, every day. Point number 4. Make a list of 10 things that you are thankful for every day. So every day, at the end of the day, write down these 10 things that you are thankful for. So again, it's an expression of your gratitude. So you just write down whatever is that. It can be anything big that you experienced or something very small. But identify that throughout the day, whatever you have experienced, and pick up 10 things, beautiful things that you are thankful for. Point number 5 is listen or read to positive videos or articles every day. And this one is my favorite. I love to listen to the people expressing their experience through the journey of law of attraction and manifestation. If you listen or read article or listen a video on YouTube or any other platform, it will give you positive energy and motivation to go further in your journey in manifesting something that you want to manifest in your life and a journey through law of attraction. So try this. Try all of these 5 points in your life at least for 21 days to 1 month, and you will see the difference in your life. And get back to me and let me know about your experience and your outcome through the journey. And I will be coming with some tips and tricks on law of attraction and manifestation. And yes, I will be coming with some beautiful law of attraction success stories to tell you, because these stories will motivate you more to go further on your journey on law of attraction and manifestation. So till then, keep your vibration on, be happy, be positive. See you soon.